Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Smartphone World. Realme 7, the all-new budget smartphone from Realme, packs best-in-class budget gaming processor from MediaTek, the Helio G95, which should provide the best gaming experience in this segment. In this video, we are going to put the Realme 7 to test and see if the phone can handle long gaming session. Before we get started, this video is sponsored by Sprig, a brand that offers premium tempered glass at affordable prices. Use coupon code 20OFF to get 20% discount on all tempered glass purchase from Sprig website. Check the links in descriptions for more details. We are going to play 3 high graphic games continuously for 60 minutes and check the temperature and battery of the phone on frequent intervals to see if there are any heating issues. First, let me show the temperature and available battery on the phone. The battery is at 67%, the ambient temperature is at 30 degrees and the phone temperature is around 31 degrees. Let's launch Call of Duty, a high graphics intensive shooting game from Activision. Let's play a multiplayer game. First things first, the graphics looks awesome and the controls are pretty easy. The graphics was set to high and I tried everything in the game from running around to shooting enemies. The Mali G76 GPU handled everything smoothly. I did notice occasional frame drops when the graphics was set to high, but overall the gameplay was pretty smooth. The bottom fairing speakers do get muffled if you hold the phone in landscape mode and play the game. I have also used Realme US inbuilt screen recorder to record the gameplay as well. Even then there are only occasional frame drops or hiccups.
We're capturing A, losing Bravo. We captured UAV online. We lost C. Friendly stealth chopper inbound.
It's more than 25 minutes since we started the gaming test. The battery has dropped from 67% to 58% and the temperature of the phone has raised from 31 degrees to 37 degrees. With carbon fiber cooling system on board, I expect the phone to keep the temperatures under check. For the next 30 minutes, let's play Free Fire and see how Realme 7 handles the game. I played a survival match and I have set the graphics to high. Overall, the gameplay was pretty smooth and there are no frame drops or hiccups even during intense action. Helio G95 shows that it can handle high graphics gameplay without a glitch. It's been 55 minutes since we started the gaming test and the battery dropped from 58% to 52%. But the good news is the temperature of the phone did not increase and was around 36 degrees. As PUBG is banned in India, we'll play Asphalt 8 on Realme 7. We are going to play a career match for the next 15 minutes. In Asphalt 8, the graphics was pretty awesome with ample amount of details in car and racetrack. I was driving the car intentionally towards other racers to create frequent crashes. Even then the gameplay was smooth and there were no frame drops. A point to note here is I have been using Realme US inbuilt screen recorder to record the gameplay as well. This in turn will add more load to the processor and GPU and might take a toll in battery life. I am pushing the phone to its limit, playing games at high graphics, recording the gameplay, and as you can see, Mali G76 GPU and Helio G95 handle all the tasks I throw at them with ease. The clock has surpassed the 1 hour 15 minute mark and the battery dropped from 52% to 48%. The temperature of the phone was well under control and was around just 37 degrees. It's good to see Realme has fixed the heating issues which was a main concern in Realme 6. In Realme 7, the battery drained at a slightly faster rate compared to other phones. The higher screen refresh rate and heavy graphics drained the battery by 19% in just 1 hour and 15 minutes. To put things into perspective, Note 9 Pro Max with 5000 mAh battery drained by just 15% after 1 hour and 15 minutes of gaming. If you are an avid gamer and if your budget is under 15,000, then Realme 7 is the best option available in this price segment. I have already uploaded gaming test videos of Samsung M13s. If you guys are interested, please do check the video. Before we conclude, a word from our sponsor Sprig, a brand that creates premium affordable tempered glass for smartphones. You can buy Sprig tempered glass from Amazon, Flipkart or Sprig store. You can download the Sprig app from Play Store and iOS app is coming soon. All links will be in description. So what do you guys think about Realme 7's gaming performance? Share your thoughts in the comment section. As always, do what you love no matter what the outcome is. I'll catch you guys in the next video and you guys have a great day.